In this video, we are going to see about a stratified random sample. This is a probability sample. A stratified random sample is a combination of two or more simple random samples taken from subgroups of a given population. These subgroups are chosen to contain all the individuals with certain characteristics. The use of chance to select a sample is the essential principle of statistical sampling. For example, it is common to sample distinct groups within the population separately, and then we combine these samples. This is the idea of stratified random sample. This random sample can be useful when a population contains groups that are more rare or harder to reach than the other. For example, a study of exercise habit in American adults may use a stratified random sample, selecting individuals of different ethnic groups separately to ensure inclusions of majority and minority groups according to the proportion in the population. The simple random sample taken within each group is a stratified random sample. It need not be of the same size. Like in this example, we can have random sample collected from 100 male. So we are picking, say, 10 male from 100 male members, and from 100 female, we are picking just 5 female. So that those 10 and 5 who were selected will be combined, and that is your stratified random sample. In this case, we have equal number in that whole population. From that, we are trying to take samples from these subgroups of 100 male and 100 female. Or we can also have examples like this. A stratified random sample containing 30 seniors and 20 juniors. So maybe from 30 seniors, we can pick 10, and from 20 juniors, we can pick 10, and then those 10 plus 10, 20 will be our stratified random sample. So when we find the stratified random sample, we always divide the whole population into subgroups with certain characters. So here, see, there are some 4 in the first character, which is shaded as blue, and then there are 8 members under the characters shaded under red, and then there are 4. So from each subgroup, see, the first subgroup we are picking 1, from the second subgroup we are picking 2, the third subgroup we are picking 1. So altogether a sample of 4 are selected, and that is a stratified sampling. Let's take an example. We have a community which has got 3 buildings in it, and in each building there are 10 members. We have some elders, men and female people living in those buildings. Now, let us assume that we are trying to pick 2 male, 2 female, and 2 old people. So first of all, we have to divide this into subgroups. So since we have, let us stratify them. These are all the strata. So we are collecting all male, female, and the old people separately. And from them, we are going to pick samples. Maybe we can use the random digit table. Maybe a line will be provided, and we can select just samples from this. So using, say, line 106 or something, we can pick a random sample. So since this strata is already made from the whole population, for these subgroups, let us label them. So the first subgroup has got all male members, I have got 10 male members. Second subgroup has got 10 female and 10 elderly people. And using a line or a table, we can pick that we are picking 2 members from the female, male, and 2 from old people. So let us, when we can pick, say, 2 and 7, and 4 and 7 from females, and from old 3 and 9. So this group consisting of number 2, 7 from the male, 4 and 7 from the female group, and 3 and 9 from the elderly people will be the stratified sample. So we have divided the whole population into subgroups that are the strata, and from that we are picking the sample. Combining everything together will be the stratified sampling. So this video helped us to understand what is a stratified sampling. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening.